Every day, thousands of people are fixing their credit without wasting hundreds of dollars on credit repair companies. Many of these people are just like you. They sit across from you in restaurants. You walk past them in the grocery store. They work regular jobs and need to fix their credit. So-called credit repair experts don't want you to know they are really not experts. They have no official certifications or degrees in credit repair. They are just ordinary people who have been exposed to some simple step-by-step strategies that build great credit. The strategies are simple and straightforward. Anyone can apply them and get great results. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you about myEcon's myCredit system, a simple do-it-yourself credit repair system that will empower you to build a great credit score. A great credit score can be your ticket to your dream car, a new home, or even high-limit credit cards that can afford you the financial freedom and lifestyle you deserve. Thousands of people just like you have already used the system to attain great results. Listen to what some of them are saying about the system.
Hi, my name is Bonnie Roberts. With this myCredit system, I've been able to remove $67,000 in student loans, $100,000 in medical collections, and 31 other negative items from my personal credit report, totaling over $200,000. My credit was a 524 and now it's an 821. And back in February of this year, I was able to get approved for a home loan all by myself.
Hi, my name is Greg. As a result of using the myCredit system, my credit score went from a 609 to a 750. As a result of using the myCredit system, I was able to refinance my home and go from a 6% to 2%. I don't know about you, but that's phenomenal. It gave me a savings in excess of $500 per month from a 30-year mortgage to a 15-year mortgage. I don't know about you, but the myCredit system absolutely works. Get your myCredit system now. It works. You will love yourself for it later.
Hello, my name is Keith Tucker, and I have some exciting news that I just can't keep to myself, and I have to tell someone. I had a credit score of a 520, and then I started utilizing a system called the myCredit system, and I started utilizing the credit repair modules, the credit repair letters, as well as the strategies in the myCredit system, and I was able to increase my credit score from a 520 to an 804. I literally went from poor credit to excellent credit in less than a year. So if you're looking to improve and increase your credit score, the myCredit system is the system for you.
Angela Powerhouse Williams, the do-it-yourself credit repair system is beyond amazing. If you want to know the truth about what is hurting your credit and how you can fix it, I'm telling you, they got a step-by-step letter dispute process that is so simple. I was able to get it done in under 10 minutes. My credit score went from a 720 to a 750 in 14 days, and today I'm sitting on an 820. I also was able to help my son, who's 18 years old, get to a 715, and it feels amazing to be able to go and borrow other people's money at 0% interest. So if you want to elevate yourself, trust me, learn how to do it yourself.
Our myCredit system is a 6-step system that teaches people how to build a great credit score. Step 1 explains how credit scores are created, how to read your credit report, and which items impact your score the most. You will learn step-by-step processes via short videos and supporting documentation. Many people make the mistake of not understanding how credit scores work and just start randomly disputing every derogatory item on their report, which dooms them to failure. Knowledge is power, and when properly applied, leads to sweet success. It is estimated that 4 out of every 5 adults have erroneous or derogatory information on their credit report that should be removed. The list could include collections, charge-offs, late payments, medical collections, and outdated information. The second step in the system reveals valuable information on properly disputing erroneous and derogatory information on the report. The Fair Credit Reporting Act states that upon your request, the credit bureaus must investigate and validate any information they report on your credit report. Unfortunately, the credit bureaus use a giant automated system called eOscar to investigate and validate the disputed information. Our myCredit system will show you how to push the bureaus to do a real verification versus just using an automated response from eOscar. In this step, You will get access to pre-written dispute letters, learn how to properly send them, track their progression, and how to follow up on the results. Our system will ensure you can exercise all your legal rights and save you valuable time in your fight to achieve a great credit score. The third step empowers you to lower your credit utilization, which makes up 30% of your credit score. You will receive information that will immediately lower your credit utilization and increase your credit limits. Steps 4 through 6 shows how to improve your credit history, properly add new credit lines, and how to balance your credit mix. Great credit is a valuable asset, and when used properly, can empower you to enjoy a great lifestyle and to build personal wealth. Our myCredit system is full of proven strategies and information that can quickly put you on the road to a great credit score and the lifestyle you desire. Click the button below and get started on your new financial life.